Metals and non-metals, we have already discussed about physical properties of metals, physical properties of non-metals, and the exceptional cases for metals and non-metals. The exceptional cases on page number 41 and 42 are very important because short question can be asked on this points. Now we discuss topic number 3.3, how do metals and non-metals react. For that, consider sodium atom, which is metal. There are 11 positively charged protons in the nucleus of sodium, and there are 11 negatively charged electrons which are arranged in different orbits. So sodium atom is electrically neutral. You can see in this picture that 2 electrons in first orbit, 8 electrons in second orbit, and in third and outermost orbit there is only single electron. So tendency of sodium to achieve octet is that it is always try to positive ion by making outermost electron free. Now consider chlorine atom. There are 17 positively charged protons in the nucleus of chlorine and 17 negatively charged electrons in the different orbits. So chlorine is also electrically neutral atom. You know, my friends, that chlorine is non-metal. According to this picture, 2 electrons are in innermost or first orbit, 8 electrons are in second orbit, and in outermost orbit there are 7 electrons. So to complete the octet, chlorine need 1 electron. So it tried to catch the electron, accept the electron, and turn into negative ion. So when there is a reaction between sodium and chlorine, the electron from the outermost orbit of sodium is liberated and that electron is accepted by chlorine. In this case, octet of the both atom is completed, but sodium by losing electron become positive ion and chlorine by gaining one more electron turns to negative ion as shown here. Now there exists a strong electrostatic force which is also called Coulomb force prevail between positively charged sodium and negatively charged chlorine, and this is lead to formation of sodium chloride. Friends, sodium chloride is not a molecule, mind well, but it exists as aggregate of positive and negative ions. The same can be explained by another example, magnesium chloride. You know that valency of magnesium is +2 because it liberates 2 electrons from its outermost orbit. So 2 atoms of chlorine separately accept 2 electrons and 2 chlorine ions are formed. And there exists as I explained earlier, there exists a strong electrostatic force between Mg+2 and Cl, and that gives rise MgCl2. So this is the way metals and non-metals react by losing and gaining the electron of outermost orbit and try to achieve the stable octet state. But in this process, they turn from neutral atom to positive or negative ions and they form the compound.